Coming up in this video, just another wet autumn day in Halifax, West Yorkshire. Autumn is beautiful with its colors. Do you agree with me? If you're a returning subscriber to this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are new on this channel today, welcome, welcome, welcome. And consider hitting the subscribe button because you are going to see or discover one or two new things through this video. This is Lesson World, where we learn every day, and every day is a school day. Enjoy! Remember to give this video a thumbs up, like it, and hit the subscribe button if you're yet to. And you can watch more videos shown in the links and get to know more about Halifax. Thanks for watching.